Welcome to the Industry 4.0. People, plants, products, machinery and logistics. In nowadays, smart factories all communicate to each other, direct and digital, to set efficiency on a whole new level. At the same time, this intense networking and the collection of data also provide a target for cyber attacks invading into systems and paralyzing whole companies. According to Statista, German companies suffered from damages of more than 200 billion euros in 2018 and 2019. While the IT network of a company usually is well protected, the security of its OT network is often ignored for the benefit of availability. Because a simple firewall is not sufficient to secure the shop floor production area against attacks and espionage, we at Arendar IT-Security Ltd developed the perfect all-in-one solution, the Arendar, a highly secure, easy configurable industrial IoT gateway, replacing several devices otherwise necessary for functionality and security. The Arendar is not programmed, but configured, offers a secure reverse channel into production and therefore closes the loop from production to data processing. Misconfigurations are impossible. This data processor establishes a clear separation of the IT networks and enables a bidirectional data exchange between administration and production. It is immediately applicable, flexible in use and offers maximum security against cyber attacks. The Arendar connects MES systems to production plants, enables effective KI evaluations by means of data preprocessing, offers the necessary information for predictive maintenance, and finally represents a secure remote maintenance access point. Security without compromises for maximum efficiency. You can now exploit all advantages of today's Industry 4.0 without fear of cyber attacks and espionage. Sounds interesting? We would be very happy to personally present our Arendar.